Hey, welcome to the IC Guy. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a calculator using C++. This calculator doesn't have decision-making power, so it just gets two inputs and applies four operations on them. First of all, we have to define three variables, and they better be float, because in this case, we can calculate floating points too. Number 1, number 2, and result. After that, we have to print a prompt and ask the user to enter the first number. Then we get the first number from user using cn statement, and after that, we store it inside a variable. Now we can double this process to get the second number as well. This time, our number is going to be stored in the second variable. Now we can use a function called systemcls to clear a screen. Now we can start our first operation by summing these two numbers. So the result is equal to num1 plus num2. And after that, we have to print the result. So cout num1 plus sign, then num2, and an equal sign. Then we print the result and end L. So the first number is added to the second number, then it's going to get stored in a variable called result. After that, we print number 1, the original value, then a plus sign, number 2, equal sign, and the result. Now we can run it. Okay, so I write 12 as first number, enter 2, and yes, 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Okay, now we can copy these lines and paste them 4 times to do 4 math operations. So we change the plus operator to the minus operator to do subtraction. Num1 minus num2. And after that, we can multiply by using asterisk. And also we can divide these two numbers. So I add and a slash. Now we run the project. So I add my numbers, 100, enter 5. Now you can see the results of 4 operations. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Take care of yourself and goodbye.